This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I show practical ways to find keywords in Python step by step. Start with tokenization and regex to extract candidates and remove punctuation and stop words. Next, apply count vectorizer, or TF-IDF, and set n-gram range to 1, 2 to capture unigrams and bigrams. Rank terms by TF-IDF scores and select the top 20 keywords for your analysis. Also consider rake and text rank for unsupervised phrase extraction. When you lack labeled example, open your Python environment and import tfid vectorizer from scikit-learn and NumPy. Configure tfid vectorizer with max features 5000 and n-gram range set to 1, 2 for unigrams and bigrams. Preprocess text by lowercasing, removing stop words, stripping punctuation, and lemmatizing tokens before vectorizing. Fit the vectorizer on your corpus and compute the mean TF-IDF score per term across documents. Sort the terms by score and return the top 20 keywords ranked by importance. Validate your extracted keywords by comparing them to a labeled ground truth or using human review. Combine methods such as frequency filtering, TF-IDF ranking, and text rank to reduce noise and improve relevance. Tune parameters like max features at 5000, min df at 2, and n-gram range of 1, 2 to balance recall and precision. Finally, implement a small feedback loop to update stop words and whitelist terms based on real results and user feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.